सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 23। इसमें क्या करना है, एक कोन हमें इंस्क्राइब करना है स्फीयर के अंदर। तो सी एक स्फीयर हमने ड्रॉ किया और उसके अंदर एक कोन ड्रॉ किया। स्फीयर का ये सेंटर होगा, तो ये रेडियस कैपिटल आर दिया हुआ है बुक में। आई थिंक इट इज़ गिवन और आई हैव अज्यूम्ड गिवन। स्फीयर गिवन है तो इसका मतलब रेडियस दिया हुआ है, ओके, कैपिटल आर। अब कोन है तो कोन का डायमेंशन हमें अज्यूम करना है। लेट अस हाइट इज़ वाई एंड रेडियस इज एक्स। हमें प्रूव करना है कि वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन इज 8/27 ऑफ वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्फीयर। सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्फीयर क्या होता है, वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्फीयर इज 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब। दिस इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्फीयर, ओके। So volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Okay. Therefore, now next to find the volume of cone. Therefore, for volume of cone is equal to pi/3 r square h. R means radius of the cone and h is height of the cone. So radius of the cone I have assumed here x. So it is pi/3 x square and h is, here two variable is there, x and y. So I have to remove one variable. How we will remove? So we will assume here one. Let us BOM is one of the triangle. One right angle triangle BOM. I want to here Pythagoras theorem. What you will get? Capital R square equal to x square, or capital R square equal to BM square plus OM square s. So BM is already we have x, OM we don't have. So OM how we will find? We know the height of the cone y, and this is radius. So this is y minus r. Therefore let us apply here. Therefore you will get in triangle OBM, capital R square is equal to x square plus y minus r whole square. Okay. So from here what we will get? From here we will get x square is equal to capital R square minus y minus r whole square. If we simplify it, what we will get? Capital R square minus y square plus r square minus 2y. Next here we can see here r square minus, simplify this, minus y square minus r square, and this will become plus 2ry. Here minus r square and plus r square will get cancelled out, so that remaining ry minus y square. So finally what we got? X square equal to 2ry minus y square. So now see the in volume of cone we have to eliminate this x square because we cannot keep two variable. So therefore in place of x square we will substitute this value. Therefore volume of cone, let this is the function, volume of cone is equal to pi/3, volume of cone is equal to pi/3 x square into y tha. So next pi/3, in place of x square we will substitute this one, that is ry minus y square into y. If we again simplify it, so what we will get? pi/3 2ry into y, we will get 2ry square minus next what we will get? Pi/3 y cube. This is our function. Okay. Now, so v dash, we have to differentiate this for maxima. So v dash with respect to y I am going to differentiate. V dash with respect to y is equal to what we will get. Here you will get, see here, यहाँ पे क्या था, ये क्या हो जाएगा, 2 into 2 4, 4 by 3 pi r y. So we will get here, 4 by 3 pi r y, 4 by 3 pi r y minus this term. See here, this term, what will get, 3 pi by 3 y square. So 3 will get cancelled out, so remaining will be pi, pi y square. This is our v dash. Okay, now for maxima minima we know that v dash should be 0, therefore v dash should be 0. Okay, so next, 4 by 3 pi ry minus pi y square equal to 0. So what is common? Common is pi and y. So pi and y, if you take common here, what we will get here, 4 by 3 r minus y equal to 0. So if we, then we will get y equal to 0. If this is 0, we will get y equal to 4 by 3 r. Okay, so y equal to 4 by 3 r we got here. हमें हाइट में कोण का, अब कोण का क्या निकालना है, हमें कोण का रेडियस निकालना है. तो रेडियस हियर इट इज ऑलरेडी वी हैव एक्स स्क्वायर निकालना, हमें दैट वॉल्यूम निकालना है. तो एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल टू हमें क्या मिला था, यहाँ पे यू कैन सी दिस वन, एक्स स्क्वायर टू क्या मिला था, एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल टू हमें मिला था 2 ry माइनस वाई स्क्वायर. ओके, substitute this value here. So 2 y what we got, 4 by 3 into 4 by 3 r minus y square, इसका स्क्वायर करना है. So it is 16 by 9 r square. So what is the next? Next is 4 into 2 8 r square by minus 16 by 9 r square. Okay, so if we solve this, simplify this, we'll get 9 by, here we will get see here, if you simplify here, we will get 8 r. So x square value we will get. Now what is the volume, final volume of cone? Volume of cone. So volume of cone, what you will get? So volume of cone here you will get, volume of cone is, we know it is pi by 3 x square y था. तो सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे वैल्यू यहाँ पे, पाई बाई 3 एक्स स्क्वायर क्या मिला मुझे, 8 आर स्क्वायर बाई 9 इंटू वाई क्या मिला था मुझे, y इक्वल टू, वी गॉट हियर y इक्वल टू 4 by 3 r. So finally what we'll get, 8 into 4 32. So here 32 pi r cube by, here it will be 81. This is volume of cone. Now we have to check that is maxima or not. See, हमें जो वैल्यू मिला, हमें जो v dash मिला, this is v dash. Okay, so once again if we do v double dash, so what we will get, v double dash. If we will do v double dash here, we will get here 4 by 3 pi r minus 2 pi y. If you substitute the value of y here, so I will get, this implies 4 by 3 pi r minus y value is 4 by 3, so it will be here 8/3 pi r. So here we will get minus 4/3 pi r. So we are getting in negative, therefore it is maximum. Negative sign is getting, therefore it is maximum. Now volume of cone we got this one. Now volume of a sphere we know the volume of a sphere. So see, volume of cone is this one. So volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, so if we compare this, see, volume of a sphere by volume of cone equal to what? Pi r cube. With both places it will get cancelled out. So write first volume of a sphere. Volume of a sphere is 4/3 upon 32/81. So if we solve, we will get 4/3 into 81/32. So it is 8 times, and this is 27 times. So what we got? Yes, volume of sphere is 27/8 times of volume of cone, or we can say volume of cone is equal to 8/27 times of volume of a sphere. Okay.